Yes, hi and hello everyone and welcome to this session by 12 minutes to IP Mat. I'm Vishali and I hope all of you are doing well. So in this session now we are going to discuss a very interesting point या discussion करेंगे कि seats कितने हैं IP Mat इंदौर में. So we will be focusing more on the IP Mat इंदौर portion and what is the real competition, right? So let's start with this session. So as you can see कि IP Mat इंदौर में basically the total availability of seats is around 150, right? So total 150 hai, and as per the standard government reservation, as you can see, for OBC it is 27%. ठीक है, तो OBC के लिए it is 27%, which roughly is equivalent to 41 seats. ठीक है, अब ये ना थोड़ा approximated values है क्योंकि decimals में आ रहे हैं, तो हम थोड़ा सा approximate करके idea लेने के लिए assumption ले रहे हैं. ठीक है, for SC it is 15%, so 15% is approximately 23 seats. Then you have 7.5% for ST, so as you can see it is approximately 11 seats. 10% for EWS, right? So which turns out to be 15 seats. अब अगर आप इन सबको add on करके देखोगे basically तो 41 भी हमने already include कर लिया. So general के लिए around 35.5% रहता है. So which turns out to be 53%, right? So as you can see, category wise we have distributed कि in these 150 seats general के लिए कितने हैं and other categories के लिए कितने हैं, right? So as you can already see कि सीट्स ही इतनी कम है, सो इट इज अ बिट ऑफ अ बिग कॉम्पिटिशन कि 30,000 से ज्यादा तो रजिस्ट्रेशन होते हैं. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि अब और देखते हैं कि what are the registered values versus how many students have actually appeared. ठीक है, तो ये चार्ट मैंने बनाया so that you guys can understand. In 2023 around 24,800 some plus people have registered but appeared only 22,000, right? Now by the next year from 24,000, ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा राउंड ऑफ करके बोल रही हूँ, it reached out to 28,000, so it means definitely increment हुआ है by approximately 4,000, right? and कितनों ने actually में appear किया 26,000. Now let's move on to the next year. From 28,000 it reached up to 30,220. मतलब ये exact, मतलब ये एक roughly estimated values है because IIM Indore does not release the actual data, right? तो ये कुछ approximations हैं just to understand कि कितने बच्चे register कर रहे हैं and how many students are actually appearing for the paper, right? and कितनों ने attempt किया actually में appear किया, that is approximately 24,800. Now in 2026 again this is a rough estimation from 30,000, so you can already see कि 32,500 students have registered and how many have appeared 26,500, right? So as you can see automatically कि जो trend है वो increase हो रहा है, right? So trend increase हो रहा है and आने वाले time में भी definitely more students will definitely give this particular paper. The change or the growth that you can see is generally by 2,000 or 4,000 easily, right? Now let's see the next one कि how many students qualified for the personal interview. So जब ये पेपर क्लियर कर लेते हैं पर्सनल इंटरव्यू के लिए कितने बच्चों को कॉल आता है जनरली. सो यू कैन सी 2023 में 729, 2024 में 824, 25 में around 800. So as you can see the values are revolving around 800. So now just imagine कि जितने बच्चों ने attempt किया, how many people gave around 26,000. 26,000 के pool में से only 800 qualified for the personal interview, right? So you can understand कि automatically कितना drastically reduce हो गया है, right? So this will be estimated to over less than 3% of the students who are getting selected for the interview call, right? So you can understand कि कितना competition है and this is the particular value. मतलब आप देख सकते हो less than 3% is मतलब very less. Now the next thing is कि 2024 को मतलब एग्जाम्पल लेते हुए these were the applicants which is 28,596. how many got shortlisted? 824 and उसमें से finalize होते हैं 150 people. so this is the real funnel to be specific कि इतने bunch of pool में से it reduced down to 150 and this is how things are actually being done if you want to be a part of the 150 people, right? Now the bottom line is कि when you're looking at the overall competition, it is already understood कि competition ज़्यादा है and the paper may be moderate, but the competition is की seats के लिए ज़्यादा competition है. It's like कि 30,000 में से the realistic chance of conversion from the beginning to the end is less than 1%, right? So for PI interviews it is less than 3%. For the final conversion it is less than 1%. So I hope so you have got an understanding कि IIM Indore में what is the seating arrangement. Or for the next, if you want to have a look at IIM Rohtak के लिए and JIPMAT, maybe if you want more information, we can do the seating comparison for them also. So please let me know in the comments as well कि what all doubts you might be having, right? So that we can have a session based on them and हम easily comparison भी कर सकते हैं कि what has been the situation in all the 3 papers, right? So thank you so much everyone, and let's meet in the next session with interesting topic, and take care and bye bye.